Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing how you can make a 200 grams like a scanty wig to look as if it's a 300-gram wig, making it look full. Make sure you go nowhere, as this trick and tips that I'm about to show you will save you a lot of time and stress. So get a blade or whichever thing you can use to loosen the hair, then loosen about 2 lines from the back of your wig. And while you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're so careful with this loosening of the hair that you don't want to cut the wig cap. So you have to be very, very careful. Now with the hair that you took out from the wig, sew it at the top of the closure, just a few inches away from the closure. Make sure you don't get too close to the closure so that the wig won't look bulky, and when a customer run their hair through their wig, they won't have any gallop. So when you finish with the first line close to the closure, now make another space. You can make like 2 lines away from the closure. Then you want to repeat the same process, like sew in the weft that you took out from the back of the wig. Sew it from one end to the other. The next thing for you to do is go back to where you loosened the weft from. Now go to the very, like you can see where my hands are, this particular spot. So from there, then to take your hand gradually to the top until when you get to the place where I stopped losing the wig from. Make sure you follow this process so that the hair won't be scanty at all. Remember, what we're trying to do is you're trying to make sure that the hair looks full even when it's scanty. So guys, what I used here just 200 grams to achieve this particular process. If you find this tip helpful, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and share this video to other people that this can actually help. So this was how the hair looked when I finally finished. So this is the finishing part of the wig. So guys, note this tip can be done with any kind of hair. So I would like you guys to give it a try and also let me know how it turned out to be at the comment section.